going on, guys? Today's video, we're going to be cleaning out the garbage disposal. I'm in a make ready right now, and anytime the ice tray is full, I take that opportunity to clean out the garbage disposal. And this is something you want to do every so often anyway. So we'll go ahead and start. Just go ahead and fill up the disposal with your ice. Just want to pack it all down in there the best you can. Alright, once your disposal is full of ice, go ahead and turn your water on hot. Let the water get warm here. And we'll bring the water onto this side. And you'll notice once the ice starts grinding up, I'm going to keep feeding the ice down in there. And we should see some dirty water come up through the drain here and then go back down. And once it goes down, you got your disposal cleaned out. Alright, water's hot. Here we go. Here comes the water. That's it. That's how you clean out a disposal with ice. Pretty simple. It's a cheap alternative to buying all those disposal cleaners and tablets or those dissolving pods or whatever they are, but doing it with ice is all you need. And you do that once a month or once every 2 weeks, whichever, depending on how much you use your disposal. It'll keep the disposal clean and keep the drain smelling good. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.